Something is making me sneeze. I wonder, why do people sneeze? Yes, it's time to find the nearest nose and see what happens in there. I'm gonna need rocket boosters, a grabber arm, and spider legs.
Rocket booster, grabber arm, spider legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Woo-hoo! Into a nose we go. It's like a cave in here. Hello?
Hello!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Who are you?
My name's Petunia, and I'm a piece of pollen. I may be small, but I can make big things happen.
Like a sneeze?
You got it! When I'm around people, I bother them. And I especially like bothering noses. Come on, bounce with me. Oh, don't worry, it's a nose. It's not going to bite. Plus, it's fun.
So, this will make someone sneeze?
This is just the start, since a sniff is coming. Watch out.
That wasn't that bad! It looks like we're in a jungle.
This is all hair. It's here to keep pollen like me, and plus other things like dust particles out of your nose. Well, it won't work. Oh, it's fun to be irritating.
Will this cause a sneeze?
I hope so. Ooh, now a tissue's coming for us. Run! All right, they're really bothering this nose now. Tickle more.
Is the sneeze coming?
It is! Na 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 na!
Oh no! Boogers!
We did it!
Yes! And I have the answer to my question. Why do people sneeze? People sneeze when tiny things like pollen get inside their nose and irritate it. Upload answer, Debo.
Okay! See ya, Blippi!
Bye-bye, Petunia! I love being at the beach. Whoa! A flying fish! I wonder, what's underneath the ocean? Good idea, Tabs. We can go into the ocean and find out. I'll need duck feet and a propeller.
Duck feet, propeller, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Wow! It's a whole other world down here. Is this like some kind of underwater forest?
Exactly! It is a forest! Welcome to my neighborhood. My name's Jerry the jellyfish.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Tabs. We're down here to see what's in the ocean.
Oh yeah, there's a lot. The ocean's full of surprises. I'll show you. I'm going to meet my friends. Well, I'll give you a tour along the way.
All right, thanks, Jerry.
First stop, our kelp forest. This kelp can grow up to 150 feet.
Wow, that's so tall.
Oh yeah, but sometimes the water current around here blows the kelp around.
Kelp! Kelp!
Oh no, this never happens.
Great idea, Tabs. Let's use the turbo boosters.
Oh good, glad you're okay. Let's move on.
Whoa! That fish is blue and has a long nose.
She's a blue marlin. She uses her nose to find and catch food. She's also really fast.
Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Oh no, this never happens.
Yeah, Tabs, it is dark in here. Wherever we are. Jerry! Jerry?
Blippi, is that you in there? Oh no, hold on. I scared a gray whale? And she blew you right out of her blowhole? That never happens.
Thanks for getting us out of there, Jerry. Oh, you're all lit up.
I told you the ocean was full of surprises, didn't I?
Hey, look, it's your friends.
Hiya, pals. You guys found me.
And I found the answer to my question. What's underneath the ocean? There's a kelp forest, blue marlins, huge whales, and a jellyfish that lights up. Upload answer tabs.
And we're only on chapter 1. In chapter 2, there's an octopus and a shark and a sea turtle and a tuna.
Bye, Jerry.
Oh, and there's an otter and a seahorse and a lobster and a stingray.
Whoa! This spider web looks amazing. You're right, Debo. Spider webs do have such artistic designs. I wonder, how do spiders make their webs? Yes, let's go find a spider to ask. I'm gonna need wings and spider legs.
Wings, spider legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure.
Bonjour, I'm Spencer. You're just in time to watch me make my latest artistic creation.
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Are you about to make a web?
I am. It's going to be my greatest masterpiece, the webbiest web of all time. Want to help?
Yeah! I really want to learn how spiders make their webs.
Time to create.
Debo, I'll be right back.
Blippi, you can be my holder and tester. My web will be a circle-shaped design with some triangles in the middle.
What kind of string do you use to make your web?
I use silk strands that I make myself, and they shoot out of my stomach. To a spider or bug, these strands are as strong as steel.
That is so cool!
Next, the circles to complete my masterpiece. Can you hold this strand in place, Blippi?
Yeah! Whoa! It is a circle shape.
Ah, perfect! Grab that strand, Blippi, to swing out for a look.
Whoa! Amazing! Wait! Is that a picture of me in your web?
It is you, my masterpiece. Now you can test it. Bounce against it. See if it holds.
Whoa!
The sticky part is for catching bugs to eat.
Your web is beautiful and useful, Spencer. And you answered my question. How do spiders make their webs? They use super strong and sticky silk strands to create a web with a cool circular design. Upload answer, Debo. Thanks for showing us how you make a perfect web, Spencer. Bye-bye.
Au revoir!
Yum! These turkey sandwiches are going to be delicious. Oh, what a mess! Hey, look at that fly walk on the ceiling. I wonder, how do flies walk on the ceiling? I'm gonna need wings and spider legs.
Wings, spider legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Hey, Debo! I think I know that fly. It's Horace.
Hi, Blippi! How's it going, pal?
How did you get on the ceiling?
No, it's easy. Watch this. Ta-da!
Wow!
Yes, sirree! The ceiling is my own personal dance floor! Skip-it-bit-dip-dip-dip-dip-pa. Now you try.
Here goes. Whoa! Why can't the Blippi mobile stand on the ceiling too? What's the trick?
Here's the trick. You've got to stick.
Stick?
You see, my feet make a super sticky glue that helps me stick to the ceiling. Here, try some.
Don't mind if I do. Here goes. Whoa! Oh, now I stick to the ceiling too.
Look at all that mess. Oh,
The glue has us stuck in place.
that's because you're not doing the fly leg twist.
The fly leg twist?
That's right. Fly glue is so strong that we have to push ourselves off the ceiling to walk. Like this.
Like this?
You got it. Now let's hit it. Do the fly leg twist. Do the fly leg twist. Get your feet unstuck when you go like this.
We did it! And I have the answer to my question. How do flies walk on the ceiling? Fly legs have a special sticky glue that keeps them stuck to the ceiling. Upload answer, Debo.
Well, I'm off to eat a little bit of dinner now. See you later, Blippi.
Bye-bye! Moon, stars, and is that a planet? Oh, it is, Tabs. Whoa! There's a whole area out there in space with the planets and the sun. It's called the solar system. I wonder, what planets are in the solar system? Good idea, Tabs. Let's go into outer space. I'm gonna need a rocket booster.
Rocket booster confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Now it's time to get planet size. Growing up! Right, Tabs, we're in space. Whoa, it's a meteor. Hey, it's me, Blippi.
Welcome to outer space. I'm Mary the Meteor.
I'm here to find out about all the planets in our solar system.
There are 8 planets in our solar system. Let's meet them, shall we? Closest to the blazing sun are the 2 smallest and hottest planets, Mercury and Venus.
Whoa, that is hot.
We should go. The 3rd planet is your home, Earth.
Hi, Mom.
Then there's Mars, the red planet. Mars is red because it's covered in rusty soil. Achoo!
That's a lot of dust.
Come on! Next up is the giant Jupiter, bigger than all the planets combined. He doesn't scare me, though. Whoa! We should go!
We sure are a long way from the sun now.
Welcome to Saturn and her rings.
Whoa, they look beautiful. Can we get closer?
Of course!
Whoa, whoa, yeah, whee!
Wait, we haven't finished yet.
On your left is Uranus, billions of miles from the sun, pretty cold.
Now let's hear it for the furthest, windiest, and coldest planet, Neptune!
Whoa! I have the answer to my question. What planets are in our solar system? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Upload answer, Tabs. Thanks for the tour, Mary. That was wild.
See ya, Blippi! Time for a shower. A meteor shower!
Bye, Mary the Meteor. Whoa, I love our cool Blippi mobile. You're right, Debo. Our car does have amazing things. I wonder, what were the first cars like? Good idea! We can go way back in time to see one of the first cars. I'm gonna need helicopter blades.
Helicopter blades confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Going back in time! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. We just traveled back over 100 years. I wonder whose house this is.
It's mine. My name is Blippi. Yours?
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Wait, are you my great-grandpa?
I think I am. Come here, future Blippi great-grandson.
Grandpa, we're here to find out what the first cars were like.
Good timing. I'm about to take my first ever automobile for a drive. Hot dog, isn't this a beaut?
Really cool. So, how does it start?
This crank will make sparks that help start the engine.
The engine started! Yeah! It looks like your car can only fit 2 people. And no seatbelts? Seatbelts keep you safe.
Hot dog, seat belts? Okay, let's go to the top of that hill. Now down we go!
Oh no, Debo! Whoa! 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 Does the car have any brakes?
It sure does! That was really cool!
Hot dog! And I have the answer to my question. What were the first cars like? You had to turn a crank to start it. Cars only had 2 seats. And you pulled a hand lever for the brakes. Upload answer, Debo. Bye, Great-Grandpa Blippi. Happy and safe driving. What's better than a delicious piece of fruit? You're right, Debo. Vegetables are yummy too. I wonder, what's the difference between fruits and vegetables? Super suggestion. We'll go into that garden to figure it out. I'm gonna need wings and a grabber arm.
Wings, grabber arm confirmed.
Okie dokie, artichoke. Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. All right, we're in a community garden where all kinds of fruits and vegetables grow. And look, there's one right now.
Step right up. You're the next contestants on Slim Cucumber Certified Fresh Game Show.
Fruit or vegetable?
Tell us your names.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo.
Now, Blippi and Debo, a quick review before we start. All fruits have a pit or seeds in them and grow on a plant with flowers.
Fruits have pits or seeds, and always flowers. Got it.
And vegetables are different. There are root and leaves.
Got that too.
Excellent. Let's play. Tell me, Blippi, is this carrot a fruit or...
Ooh, the carrot is a vegetable because it's a root and has leaves.
That's right! But can Blippi go 2 for 2? So tell me, is this tomato a fruit or a vegetable?
This is tough. Okay, a tomato grows from a plant, but it has seeds. It's also a vegetable?
Oh, sorry. Tomato is a fruit. Now, your final question, Blippi. Can you tell me if this strawberry is a fruit or vegetable?
Strawberry is a fruit.
Yes, strawberry is a fruit, and you gave 2 correct answers, which means this trophy is all yours!
Wow, thanks, Mr. Slim. And I also have the answer to my question. What's the difference between fruits and vegetables? Vegetables are roots and leaves, and fruits have flowers and a pit or seeds. Upload answer, Debo. Bye-bye, Mr. Slim.
Congrats to you, Blippi. That's our game. I'm Slim the Cucumber, and by the way, I'm a fruit. Tune in next time for our special guest, Madam Mango, on Fruit or Vegetable.
Holy smokes! A volcano! That's right, Debo. When a volcano erupts, smoke and hot lava come out the top of it. I wonder, what makes a volcano erupt? Great idea! We'll go inside a volcano and find out. I'm gonna need wings, spider legs, and the heat shield.
Wings, spider legs, heat shield, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Let's go through the side vent into the volcano. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, it sure is hot in here.
Hey there, I'm Maggie the Magma Monster.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo. We want to learn what makes a volcano erupt.
You're in for a real treat, Blippi and Debo. Speaking of treats, below us, deep in the earth, the planet's heat is melting rocks into liquid, also known as magma, like me.
You're right, Debo. It is like one of our favorite games. The floor is lava. Whoa!
Magma becomes lava after it erupts out of the volcano. So I guess I'm the floor.
Whoa! We're getting higher.
That's because the more rocks melt below, the more magma rises here in the chamber.
Hey, I wonder where this goes.
Look out, Blippi!
Magma! Phew, that was close. Maggie, you almost fill the whole cavern now.
I sure do. And as I grow, the pressure inside the volcano builds until we push through the crust or the top of the earth. Hold on! Much better.
Maggie, what a blast! And I got the answer to my question. What makes a volcano erupt? A volcano erupts when the hot magma inside it builds pressure and bursts through the surface of the earth. Upload answer, Debo.
That was fun, Blippi. Hope you loved it.
We did! Bye-bye, Maggie. Whoa, look at that massive skyscraper with a crane next to it. Right, Debo. I think it is helping build the building. I wonder, how does a crane help build a building? Great idea! We'll go talk to the crane! I'm gonna need a grabber arm and extendo legs.
Grabber arm, extendo legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Extendo legs up! Whoa!
Hi. Are you here to help me?
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo. Sure, I'll help. What's your name?
It's Kareem. Kareem the Crane. It's my first big job today. I'm kind of nervous.
I get it. Trying new things makes me nervous sometimes, too. We'll help you any way we can.
I spin my mast, my tall body around, and then I extend my jib down. The jib is my long arm. Now I can use my hook to pick up these really heavy bricks. Whoa! I can't stop it swinging!
Gotcha.
Thanks, Blippi. I'm still learning, but I'll figure this out. Now you can help me with the roof. It's that big glass square down there. Glass is very fragile.
You got this.
I'm doing it! I'm really doing it!
Now, take it up, Kareem.
Oh, goodness! Look out below!
Got it! Now, let's finish the job.
Yeah!
Isn't helping Kareem so fun?
Hey, we did it!
And now I know the answer to my question. How does a crane help build a building? Cranes lift heavy materials so they can be used to construct super tall buildings. Upload answer, Debo. Yes!
Thanks for everything, Blippi. Bye!
Bye, Kareem! I knew you'd be an amazing crane. You're right, Debo. This is a kangaroo crossing, and we are in Australia. So, I guess you never know when a kangaroo might, whoa, bounce in. Wow, what a spectacular jump. I wonder, how high can a kangaroo jump? Great idea. We'll go ask that kangaroo. I'm gonna need frog legs for this adventure.
Frog legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. We're in the outback, so let's go find a kangaroo.
Hi there, I'm Rooney. What brings you to these parts in your cool-looking car?
Hi, Rooney. It's me, Blippi. And this is Debo. We wanted to see how high a kangaroo can jump.
Pleasure to meet ya. Well, I can jump as high as your mobile here, but I can jump higher.
Whoa, Rooney's hopping pretty high and super fast.
You're pretty fast yourself. You up for a little race, Blippi?
Sounds fun.
All right, let's race around that big sandstone rock down there. We call it Uluru, or Ayers Rock. It's the heart of Australia.
Whoa, so cool.
And the first bag here wins.
You're on, Rooney.
By the way, there may be a fence or two in the way.
Good to know.
Come on, Blippi, up to it. Careful, this fence is 6 feet tall. Good jump. Ready to go even higher?
Yeah.
How about a 10-footer?
Whoa!
Yeah! Woohoo!
To the best jumper we've ever seen! And now I have the answer to my question. How high can a kangaroo jump? Kangaroos can jump up to 10 feet off the ground. Upload answer, Debo.
That was fun, Blippi. Whew, gotta cool down. That's why I'm licking my arm. It's a kangaroo thing. Bye.
Bye-bye.